One winter's evening, Henry and his crew were at the sheds one night. Get ready for tomorrow, Henry, because alright, we're gonna pull the Flying Kipper. Don't tell Gordon this, but we pull the Kipper nicely. Use your Chama hat will let us pull the express. Hurrah! Says Henry. Gordon didn't really like this. You can't also don't know what the Flying Kipper is. I'll tell you some more history about it. The Flying Kipper is a goods train that's been around since Toto first opened. Henry is the main engine who pulls the Flying Kipper. Tonight would be different. Henry got up at 5 o'clock. Jeez, hurry up. Alright, Henry. You know I am. The truck's full. Him with Henry. Truck. Damn. Henry was doing fine. The sky was nice and the rails were nice too. What they didn't know was that a signal had been and switched onto a different line. That's strange. Meanwhile, some trucks, a guard signalman and Percy's these driver firemen were at truck enjoying some cocoa. You know, the Kipper's due tonight. Who cares? This is good cocoa. Come on, fireman. We should head back to Percy. He's a bit worried. Besides, that's when the signalman came running in. Clark, you don't look too good. Well, we have bad news. news. Henry's coming in with the flying kipper. Really? What is he doing? What is he doing? Well, Ice and snow caused us the signal to be forced down. Sucks. Fireman, we should really go. But I haven't finished my cocoa. You might get us in. Oh no. That's strange. I feel like I see something up ahead. Henry. No. Henry, you gotta slow down. Apply disc brakes, but that resulted in Odor's most infamous crash. Henry had survived the crash, but it would have caused him into a coma. The flying kipper reckoned the books said that Henry hit the driver of the fireman and the people that were inside were fine. However, in the real company really was not so good. Henry was in danger, surprised and lay on his side. The brake van had been completely destroyed with all the people dying inside. The people that were in it died. Along with Henry's driver and fireman. Henry was the only survivor from that crash. Dan had to be taking the crew for an overhaul. Thankfully, we would have gotten replacement engine. A relative of Gordon, but that is a story for another day.